We are entering a new era of mobility, where cars are increasingly more connected, more autonomous, and more sustainable. This revolution is already underway, and it is changing how we design, produce, and control propulsion systems. Let's take a look at what's behind this revolution. In the early days of the auto industry, one of the main goals of car makers was to make engines increasingly more powerful. This led to the creation of many legendary engines, and also saw development of many sophisticated solutions that are still in use today. With the oil crisis and dramatic increase in fuel prices in the 1970s, however, energy efficiency and better fuel economy became a priority. This new focus led to development of the Fire, one of the most successful engines in automotive history, with more than 30 million units produced in Italy, Brazil, India, and China. This engine is still used in many city cars, sedans, and sports cars today. Based on a design for manufacturing approach, in the 1980s the Fire was already produced using automated industrial processes. With each subsequent version, the search for improved efficiency drove evolutions in the product, as well as in development and production processes, and culminated with the introduction in 2006 of the turbocharged T-Jet engines, which offered an optimum balance of power output and fuel economy. During the same period, the introduction of electronics opened up an enormous range of new possibilities. The Fiat Research Center in Italy developed technologies that were to change the automotive world globally. These included electronic injection control on the common rail and multi-jet engines, and electronic valve lift control on the multi-air engines. The Firefly is the successor to the Fire engine family, and the project name, GSE, or Global Small Engine, makes its mission clear. The new Firefly family of gasoline engines was developed by FCA for use on its compact and mid-size models, including through a wide range of hybrid applications. The Firefly is a modular family of engines based on a single basic piston and cylinder design, which allows for variations in output and configuration to meet the different needs, usage conditions, and regulations in each region. The engine family's modularity enables the use of shared components and technologies to achieve a wide range of displacements and applications, while virtual design reduces both development time and the number of required physical tests. This represents an eco-friendly approach to the development and production of our vehicles. To ensure the Firefly was both sustainable and energy efficient, it was designed completely from scratch, beginning with the new aluminium engine block, which is lighter and warms up faster. The piston displacement was optimized and combined with an efficient, compact combustion chamber. The new turbo design minimizes turbo lag, while the direct injection and multi-air 3-valve control system provide highly efficient management of combustion and emissions. The Firefly was also designed for use in hybrid applications. So let's take a look at how hybrid propulsion systems are designed. While traditionally the engine was one of many components developed separately and brought together in the final assembly, today all systems need to be developed together from the very beginning of the vehicle design process. This has brought major changes in terms of skills and working methods, composition of the teams, and overall product development strategy. FCA's electrified vehicles are produced have specifically designed production lines and equipment. The integration of systems for electrified vehicles includes the propulsion system, transmission, engine regeneration systems, and low and high voltage electrical circuits. The nerve center for these integrated systems is the hybrid control processor, a control unit that ensures each subsystem operates within its zone of maximum efficiency. Electrified vehicles also have to conform to new standards for noise, electromagnetic interference, and side impact resistance. This also means there are significant differences in hardware. The application of Design 4.0 to electrified vehicles offers an extraordinary opportunity, starting from modular subsystems to develop highly specialized solutions tailored to each model. FCA's 2020 product lineup, for example, includes several hybrids which have the 3- or 4-cylinder Firefly engine in common. For the Fiat 500 and Fiat Panda city cars, where weight, size and cost are critical, the best solution was mild hybrid technology. Based on Belt Integrated Starter Generator (BSG) technology, the system makes the most of a hybrid's potential for savings by reducing fuel consumption and increasing responsiveness in urban driving conditions. Where the requirement is for high performance with the option of driving in pure electric mode, plug-in hybrid technology was the natural choice. The combination of an internal combustion engine with an electric motor provides the new Renegade and Compass PHEV with a power output of up to 240 horsepower. The gradual torque delivery offered by this combination enhances both off-road capability and on-road dynamic behavior. In addition to performance, there is also a significant environmental benefit, with emissions as low as 50 grams of CO2 per kilometre. And in full electric mode, these models are able to enter zero-emissions city centres. These are just a few examples of how FCA has applied its new electrification technologies. In 2017, Chrysler launched the Pacifica Hybrid, the first plug-in hybrid minivan in the United States, which uses 2 electric drive motors on the front wheels and an automatic electrically variable transmission, EVT. In 2020, the new Fiat 500 is coming, the first fully electric FCA car. Once again, the 500, always at the forefront of great Fiat turning points, is at the center of a radical change in urban mobility. FCA's global powertrain research continues to focus on development of technologies that are transforming mobility and bringing customers more sustainable and eco-friendly vehicles and solutions that respond to their evolving needs.